Are you stuck with an old email on Coursera and can't find where to change it? Here's exactly how to update it in under a minute. It's such a common problem. You switch internet providers, you lose access to an old school account, or maybe the email you signed up with just feels like a digital fossil you can't get rid of. And when you go hunting through Coursera's menus, it can feel like the option is just hiding from you. But I promise it's not that complicated. We'll log in, navigate to settings, update your email, and save. Okay, let's go step by step. So first things first, you've got to get logged into your Coursera account. Go ahead and head over to Coursera.org and sign in with whatever credentials you still have access to. This is where it all starts. Now, once you're logged in, look all the way up to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture or initials there with a tiny little arrow pointing down next to it. That's your main navigation point. Go ahead and click on that drop-down arrow. A menu will pop down.
From that list, you want to select Settings. It's usually near the bottom of that list, right around where you'd expect to find account options. Just give it a click. All right, now you're on your account settings page. This is kind of the control room for your entire profile. What you need to do here is scroll down a little bit. You're looking for a section called Basic Information. It's not all the way at the bottom of the page, but it's far enough down that you might miss it if you're just scanning quickly. So take your time and scroll until you see that header. And here's the really important part. Inside the Basic Information section, you'll see a field labeled Email Address. It should be showing the old email that you want to change. This is your moment. Go ahead and click inside that field and type in your new, shiny email address. Double-check it for any typos because you definitely don't want to save it wrong and have to do this all over again. Once you've got the new address typed in correctly, scroll down just a little bit more and you'll see the Save button. Click that. It might take a second for Coursera to process the change, but once it's done, you're all set. And that's it. Seriously. From being stuck with an email you can't access to confidently managing your account with your new address. That's the kind of win that makes the rest of your day feel easier. This guide comes from the team at AI Mastery, and we try to make sure every step is clear and straightforward, with screenshots to back it up so you never feel lost. If this helped you out, give the video a like and consider subscribing for more quick, practical tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.